The journey begins not in the dark, but in the blinding light. Below this thin blue line lies a world more alien than Mars. We descend. Zero to 200 meters, the sunlight zone. Here, life is abundant, fueled by the sun. But look down. The abyss is waiting.
Passing 100 meters.
At this depth, the color red is instantly absorbed. It turns black. Predators roam the edge of the light.
200 meters. The light is failing.
They call this marine snow, dead organic matter sinking from above. Creatures here have evolved to hide. And crying. This is not electricity. It is diffraction. The pressure is rising. Eyes grow massive to catch the last photons. Colonies of clones stretching through the dark. The sunlight is gone. Approaching the Twilight Zone limit. 200 meters down. 100 meters. The Twilight Zone, where day and night merge.
The hatchetfish. Its body is flat like a coin to avoid casting a shadow.
It glows from below to blend in with the faint light from above. Lanternfish. They outnumber humans 1,000,000,000,000.
The largest migration on Earth happens here every night.
The snipe eel. A living ribbon. 500 meters. The water is thickening. Phronima. The inspiration for the movie Alien. King of herrings. A serpent of the twilight.
The barrel eye. It sees through its own skull.
Scanning the shadows above for prey. A pyrosome. A tube made of thousands of lives. The ugly inhabitants of the rock walls. Masters of disguise. We are leaving the last traces of the sun. The Nautilus, a survivor from the dinosaur era. 800 meters. Temperature is dropping. The loose jaw. It sees red light
which is invisible to everyone else.
Deep diving hunters. The Leviathan goes where we cannot. Battle scars from the deep. Cystosoma, a ghost in the shell. The snow falls heavier here. Predatory plants of the deep. "900 meters. The dark is complete."
The blobfish. Without pressure, it melts. Here, it is king.
Something huge is moving. 1,000 meters. Goodbye, son. Welcome to the Midnight Zone.
1,000 meters. The Midnight Zone. Sunlight has ceased to exist.
The most famous trap in the ocean. A light in the dark is not hope. It is a mouth.
The viperfish. Its teeth are so long, they form a cage when it closes its mouth.
The gulper eel. A stomach with a mouth attached. The only food source here is the waste falling from above. Invisibility is the best armor. Vampiroteuthis infernalis, the vampire squid from hell. 1,000 meters. The pressure is now 200 times that of the surface. Drifters in the void.
Pressure would crush a submarine like a soda can.
The giant squid. The legend is real.
Armed with serrated suckers to battle whales.
Life here survives in bursts of panic.
Giant isopods. Ancient scavengers of the deep.
Goblin shark. A living fossil. 3,000 meters. We are deeper than the average ocean floor. The Dumbo octopus. Life finds a way to be gentle, even here.
The black swallower. It eats prey twice its size.
Strange cleaners roam the emptiness. Chemical fires in the water. Waiting. Always waiting.
The walls of the trench begin to narrow.
Ghostly shapes drifting in the current. Gas is compressed to liquid.
Dragonfish. A burglar alarm made of light. The cockatoo squid. It hides by looking like a balloon.
No eyes needed when there is nothing to see.
Carnivorous sponges waiting for a touch.
Bone eaters. Deep steria. A living sheet.
Mouths bigger than bodies.
Sea angels. Beautiful but deadly predators.
4,000 meters. The midnight zone ends.
Welcome to the abyss.
An endless plain of sludge.
The tripod fish. It stands and waits for centuries.
Sea pigs. The cattle of the abyss. We are walking on the bottom of the world.
4,000 meters. The abyssal plain. The largest habitat on Earth.
Millions of years of snow settled into ooze.
Sea pigs. They march in herds across the wasteland, filtering the mud for ancient nutrients. The tripod fish. A statue of patience.
Giant sea spiders. They grow massive in the cold, oxygen-rich water.
Rat tails. The most common fish in the abyss. A whale fall. An oasis of death. Hagfish. The first to arrive at the feast. Zombie worms. They eat rock-hard bone.
Even here, at 5,000 meters, our footprint is visible.
Manganese nodules. Millions of years to grow a single millimeter.
The headless chicken monster. A swimming cucumber.
Glass sponges. Living fiber optics. The ghost shark. Older than dinosaurs. Filtering the eternal current. Silent watchers of the silt.
5,500 meters. The cold is intense.
The snailfish. The deepest living fish known to science. Groves of light in the desert. Ancient sharks swimming at the speed of a crawl. The plane is breaking. Xenophiophores,
single cells the size of a fist. The water chemistry is changing. We have reached the edge. The Hadal Zone. The trenches. 6,000 meters. Entering the trench. The drop. Welcome to hell. The final descent begins. "6,000 meters. The Hadal Zone, named after Hades, the underworld. Here, two tectonic plates are colliding in slow motion. The Mariana snailfish, the deepest fish ever discovered. It thrives where pressure would crush heavy metal.
7,000 meters.
Supergiant amphipods, monsters of the trench. They strip a carcass to the bone in hours. Chemosynthesis. Life powered by chemicals, not sun. 8,000 meters. We are deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Life clings to the edge. Funnel tightens. "9,000 meters. Unknown species drift by, never seen before. The water here is dense. "10,000 meters. The death zone. Touchdown. The Challenger Deep, 10,935 meters down. Even here, there is life. But we found something else too.
A plastic bag. Human trash reached the bottom before humans did.
We have conquered the planet in the worst way.
It is a long way back home.
Releasing ballast.
Ascending. Leaving the dark. The light returns. The surface. We know more about the surface of Mars than our own ocean floor. Two worlds, one planet. The invisible layer.